Alright, so we are continuing with exercise 10.1. Let's go to question number 8 now. This is a question number 8, 9 and 10 are very important. So question number 8 says there are two people. They borrowed the same amount of money, 7,500. So this is the first person. First person is Karan. So he borrowed rupees 7,500 from a friend at a rate of 11% per annum. So rate of interest is 11% per annum. And he returned the money after 3.5 years. Right? Now his friend, that is a Kareem, he borrowed the same amount. So for him also principal is 7,500, same rate of interest, that is 11% per annum, but he returned the money after 4.5 years. Okay, so you have to find a difference in the amounts paid by them. So how much will be the SI, simple interest per current? This will be P into R into T. So P into R into T by 100. So if I calculate this one, 7,500 into R is 11. This time is basically what? 7 by 2 years, right? So this will be 7 by 100 into 2. Alright. So if you calculate this one, you should get rupees 2887.5. Okay. So this will be the SI or simple interest paid by Karan. Similarly, for Kareem also, I can use the same formula, put the values, calculate, and you will get the SI that is paid by Kareem, and that will be around rupees 3712.50. Alright. So this is the SI that will be paid by Karan. This is the SI that will be paid by Kareem. Obviously, Kareem is going to pay more. Now, for both of them, principal remains the same, 7,500, 7,500. So their difference will be in the difference of the SI. So required difference will be rupees 3712.50 minus 2887.50, and if you subtract, you will get the difference as 825. Alright, so this is question number 8, very important. Now let's go to question number 9. This is interesting. What sum of money will fetch a monthly interest of rupees 1000 at 6% per annum? Okay, so they are saying your rate is 6% per annum and your interest is 1000 beg your pardon 1000 per month. Okay, this is per month, but we are going to calculate in per annum because rate is given in per annum. So 1000 to 12 will be 12,000 per year, isn't it? Okay, now you have to find the principal. What sum of money? So principal you have to find. So we know that SI or simple interest is P into R into T by 100. So that shall give us I equal to 12,000. I hope you have understood this part. This part is very important. 1000 per month, so 12,000 per year because 1 year has 12 months. So is equal to P into R is 6, time is 1 year by 100. So from here I can find the P. So P will be 2 followed by 5 zeros. So this is the principal. 2 lakhs is the principal. This question is again very important because of this fact. Your interest is 1000 per month, but you have to find the interest per year. Then that is question number 9. Now let's go to question number 10 and the final one. Okay, this question says 5,000 amounts to rupees 6,000 in 5 years. Okay, so they're saying principal is rupees 5,000, amount is rupees 6,000, time is 5 years. Principal is 5,000, amount is 6,000. So how much is the interest then? Interest is what? Amount minus principal. So 6,000 minus 5,000. So 1,000 rupees, 1,000 is the interest. Okay, So if it's rupees 1000 the interest, if I apply the formula interest is equal to P into R into T by 100, so that shall give us 1000 is equal to P is 5000 into R, we don't know, and T is 5 by 100. So this shall give us the value R equal to 200 by 50, that is 4%. Okay, so my rate of interest is 4%. Now look at the second part of the question. At the same rate, if you take principal as 8000, what will be the interest in 6 years? Now, so now for the second part, R is 8%. So now my new interest, it means taking principal 8000, rate is 4 and time is now 6 years by 100. Alright, so this I have to calculate. If you calculate this one, you will get the final answer interest, that is 1920. That is the interest only. You have to find the amount. So I will get interest of 1920. Now if I find the amount now, so your amount is principal plus interest. So that shall give us principal is 8000 plus 1920. So my final amount will be rupees 9920. So this is the final answer of the question, rupees 9920. Right, very easy. For the first condition, I have found the value of R. That R I am going to use in the second condition. Everything else is given, just you need to calculate. So that brings the end of exercise 10.1. Next video onwards, we will start the next exercise, that is 10.2.